All right, I'm back. That was an awesome week off. Went to the NFL Rookie Premiere, the Angels game, and I'm back. Tier 1 came out today. We're finally ready to do it. We are starting with case 6, because you guys filled that first. I'm going to go in the order that they filled. It's like 6, 7, 8, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for some reason. Anyway, this is number 6. Here's your teams. There are 2 combos. Andrew, you have the Marlins Blue Jays. Guacamole back for a combo spot. Rays and Royals, but you never know. What? Where's the... What the heck? Oh, there it is. Where's my zoom? I randomed 8 cases before we started, so it's all random. I know I'm already going to get the, oh man, I missed my team in case 4 and their knob came out in case 3. I know. There's nothing I can do. Website exploded last night when I posted teams. I could have the most powerful website known to man and there'd still be everybody mad that they missed their team. It's not really going to solve anything. Although it would be a little faster to find out that you didn't get your team you were trying to buy. I guess that'd be better. Instead of having to struggle through it thinking it's possible for so long. Okay. Foist pack of the new 18 Tier 1. I know I have to get new mats. I'm ordering new mats, actually. We start with the Paul Konerko for the White Sox to 90. Tier 1 talent. Have we not used that phrase before, Jones? Mandy Rose is a Tier 1 talent. Raleigh Fingers to 250. Huh. Brewers on the board. And Anthony Rendon relic. Okay, relic on the back. 335. You see a Cub? I don't see. Did I miss it? I don't see a Cub. No Cubs. Just a super thick relic on the back. Yeah. How long were you gone, UCCF? That's nice. Ozzie Smith to 125. The seams. Hold on. Oh, Bernasty has the card. I can't see who has what. Bernasty with the Cardinals. I'm a little rusty. Nice Ozzie. Is that the Tier 1 autograph? The case hit this year? I don't know. Starling Marte to 275 for the Pirates. D. Rubin. And a Will Myers relic. Oh, 2 relics. They're thick stock. For the Padres. Cody Bellinger, dual relic with a patch to 25. These look good. Bowman looks different this year. Nice clean on-card autos. Paul DeYoung to 295. Bernasty. Yeah, the red relics. There's a redemption. I'm going to do the back relic first. Jonathan Scope to 335. Ugly Nugget. Redemption. Prime Performers autograph. Marwin Gonzalez. Marwin Gonzalez. Wait, who is that? Marwin Gonzalez. I know the name. I cannot place the team. Marwin Gonzalez. Astros? I thought that for a second, and I was like, nah. Ken Dubs. Oh, yeah, I know Marwin Gonzalez. Never mind, I remember who that is now. I like to just put any Astros out of my memory from last year's painful World Series. Nice Jacob deGrom, Tier 1 talent to 160. Tim, your Mets. And Tommy Pham. Look at all these Cardinals to 275. Didn't he just come back today? Yeah, they look good. I like the little... I bet Mikey likes that little weird pinwheel looking thing. The relic, Lance McCullers to 335. He's on the Astros. Oh, I sent the BGS this morning. Finally got it to the mail this morning. I haven't uploaded the spreadsheet yet. That's next. I'll do that in the morning. But 469 cards off to BGS. That's a new record by like double or triple maybe. Wow, it's all Cardinals. Paul DeYoung to 275 now. We have a Lucas Sims rookie auto for the Braves. Randonix. Yeah, and a couple relics this time. Michael Fulmer to 335 for the Tigers. And Duke Snider, Legends. Dual bat relic to 25 for the Dodgers. Winna winna. That was a crazy submission. That's what I get for not doing BGS for 6 months. Should be one heck of a reveal. I have been told that the... Yeah, 460. It was 5 different packages. I just split the submission into 5 different mini submissions because I had all these duplicate Ohtani tops nows that I didn't feel comfortable like being able to distinguish from a picture. So I separated it all. Victor Robles to 250 rookie autograph for the Nationals, Randonix. Sam Travis for the Red Sox to 275, Tim. And Yuli Gurriel. He's on the Astros. I remember him. 335. So anyway, I have been told that there's a delay now on 10-day submissions. Of course. 5 to 10-day delay. So I don't think it's actually going to be done in 10 business days from when they get it. Unless they catch up somehow. But seeing as how we're sending 500 cards, I'm guessing it's going to be late. Eckersley to 90. We got Raleigh and Dennis Eckersley. Art Vandelay. Yeah. And Max Kepler to 275 for the Twins. Fade out. The relic. Christian Yelich to 335. Andrew, you're on the board with your Marlins. Yeah, there are a lot of vets, huh? Old guys. Oh, Paul Konerko, Tier 1 talent, Bronze Ink to 25 now. Mookie Monster, Dos Konerkos. And this guy's good. Best pitcher in the world. Self-taught, no lessons. Thank you very much, Pop. Tim, Josh Hader, the monster. And Addison Russell. There's a Cub to 335, Art Vandelay. Yeah, Hader's ridiculous. We have, oh nice, Manny Machado silver ink to 10. I really like this design this year. Look at that. How good does that card look? Fernie, long time no see. Future non-Oriole probably. Well, for sure. Ugly Nuggin, that is a sweet card. That's some Tier 1 talent right there. Jack Flaherty, more Cardinals rookie autograph to 275. And Tanaka jersey relic to 335. Feels a little rigid on the back. Yankees? I don't know. Yeah, there's one. Jules and Ryan have no internet. What the heck? There's a Blake Snell jersey auto to 100 for the Rays. Hey, Guacamole. Not bad for a combo spot. That's something. And how about another Blake Snell? Why don't you just tell me the name of the Blake Snells you want in this box? Doppel Snell. Under that, not Blake Snell. Sean Newcomb. Randonix. I still don't know if we've hit the Tier 1 auto case hit. It must have been the Ozzie Smith. Wait, does it say on the back? Oh yeah. I would guess because it says T1A for the card number that that's the case hit. Doesn't really stand out. Just a little bit different design. Well, that's kind of a fat pack. You never know if it's going to be a knob or a dual relic, though. Looks like dual relic. Alex Bregman to 145. Kansas Astros. How tall is Baker in person? Not tall. Chris Taylor autographs. Oh, I have to get one. He's terrible this year, but he used to be really good last year. Winna. Actually, he's been hitting in the last few games. Chris Taylor, Tier 1 talent. I don't know if they have the clear one. Do they have clear ones still? Is it snowing in space? Zach Greinke to 335 for the Diamondbacks, Art Vandelay. And Dave Winfield, Legends relic for the Twins. Fade out. Oh, one more box. Yeah, I don't really remember. He seemed about as tall as I am, like 5'10". What is he listed at? I don't think he was taller than me. He's supposed to be like 6'1", huh? I don't know. I don't know about that. Oh, Gary Sanchez to 25 bronze ink. Another nice one. There's a Yankee Gootey. Freaking Gootey. Surprised he didn't get a legendary Yankees bat knob. Being Gootey, the destroyer of hits. Tapia bronze ink. Back-to-back bronze ink. 6 foot. Yeah, he might be. And the last thing is a Stanton relic. Back on the Marlins, Andrew. Well, that was pretty good. I like the design. I'm gonna need some one touches. 6 foot at the combine. Warm up case. Case 6. Oh, look at that beautiful background.